This is the story of Bridget and Annie, who share a flat in London. They have a neighbor, Nick. Nick fancies Bridget, but Annie fancies Nick. That's the way it is until Bridget gets a letter from Argentina. Stand by for Extra.
Gigi, did you get my message? Please call me. Love, John. P.S. Did you get the flowers? Is he stupid? I told you last night. It's finished. Sorry, B. And don't call me Gigi. Yes, John. Yes, I got the cards and the flowers and the chocolates. Yes, and I got the cushion as well. But it's finished. Sorry.
But please don't leave me.
Don't cry.
I love you so much.
Oh, goodbye. Oh, and happy birthday. Men. Charlie, come on.
Post, Bridget. Charlie and I have the post, haven't we, Charlie?
Give me the post, Charlie. Give me the post, Charlie.
Drop it, Charlie. Oh, good boy. Oh. Telephone bill, gas bill, electricity bill. Oh. Oh. What's this? A parcel for you, Bridget.
Oh, good. What is it? Oh, it's from Mother.
Oh. Bridget, darling, this arrived for you. And I made you this. Love, Mummy. Oh. Oh, very you, Bridget.
Mother. Oh, this is from Argentina.
Argentina? Who from? What does it say?
It says, "Hello, do you remember me?" No. 7 years ago, we was pen pals. We were pen pals. Oh, yeah, now I remember. It's Hector.
Who's Hector?
He was my pen pal 7 years ago. I speak English good now. I speak English good. I speak English well now, and I am coming to England.
Oh, Latin Americans.
I would like to sleep with you. Do you have a bed for me? Oh, he wants to stay here. Oh.
But, what about the rules?